Vicstar123, and I'm here with KSI, known as JJ.
And he's being a fat ass. Yeah. But our lights are out. Because, like, literally, we heard a lightning noise. And then everything just disappeared. Oh, yeah, there's a light. Holy shines. Not even. But we're going to use it. I'm here with Dulce. You can't even see her. But, yeah. It was raining. And it's still raining. It says there's going to be a flood. Yep. JJ won't give none to Dulce. Say hi, Dulce. No lights. We have see. We have no lights. We were just playing Xbox. Yeah, until it turned off. Yeah. We will still be doing Sideman videos every party. Yeah. Hope our Sideman goes to almost all the parties we go. It's still raining. Like a lot. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Yeah, see you guys next time. Sideman video. Peace out. It's me and the JJ's over there. But yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.